Today I am going to be hitting up 4 different big box store locations to see what houseplants they have available right now. Did this back at the start of summer. The selection around me was incredible, breathtaking, and everything was relatively very healthy. I was very impressed at the start of summer. So now that we're closing in toward the end of summer, I'm interested to see how things have changed. I've stopped for a sweet treat from Black Rifle Coffee Company, my favorite coffee shop here in Utah, here in northern Utah. I don't know where else it is. This is kind of a spur of a moment endeavor I'm taking on today. I'm leaving the country in less than 48 hours. And I think I'm having a little travel anxiety. So I'm like, I need to go look at some plants. Let's do it. Look at this cutie bag I thrifted. And yeah, I haven't cleaned it yet. Don't judge me for using it before I clean it, but I think it's so cute. Right. Cute. Let's go. Plant section. Here we are. It looks so full. Oh, I'm really excited to see. Wow, they have a bunch of staghorn ferns again. I think this is very impressive. Let's see, for $21.98. How cute. For $29.98. They're a little mangled, but these are pretty cute. Okay, I think this is kind of weird. They're just like little barely rooted propagations. I kind of hate these. For $15? Yeah, no, that's a ripoff. But I do really like these Scindapsus exotica and lemon lime maranta. I have been considering getting one of these, so I'm a bit tempted right now. They're $22. Same with the exotica. Oh wow, I turned around and look at these Monstera lechlariana albo, and there are so many of them. Oh, and Scindapsus trubii moonlight. Looking really, really good and healthy. Okay, Home Depot. I think these are like the Scindapsus argyris or whatever, however you say it. Silver Lady. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Those are Silver Lady. I remember when this was so uncommon and so expensive. And they look really, really good. Wow. Monstera Burl Marks Flame. They look so good. This used to be another really expensive one. We have Monstera species Peru and variegated Epnepremnum pinnatum or something like that. And it looks like a new variety of Scindapsus I've never seen before. That is really cool. Ooh, some more mature Burl Marks Flame. I'm so impressed. A philodendron tortum, another really, really cool one to see at a big box store. And oh my gosh. Wow. Sarawak? Hoya Sarawak? Yep, for $20. That is really, really good. Wow. Wow, I've never seen one of these before. That is gorgeous. Have you guys seen this before? Is this a new thing? What the heck? Wow. I was so tempted by multiple plants. Namely, that really cool calathea I saw at the end, the lemon lime maranta, and every Scindapsus I saw. I was very, very tempted, and I feel if this wasn't the first location I was visiting, I would have picked up a few plants, but I don't want to overbuy, period, but I especially don't want to buy from the first place I go. You know, like I'm gonna think it over. I'm gonna think it over. You may see me back here sometime in the near future. And if the last place we visit has any of those, I could see myself getting one. Yep. Let's go to location number 2, which is a Lowe's just down the street. We're here. Holy shit, they have Halloween out already. Here's the houseplant section. I'm loving how empty the store is right now. These peace lily, immediately gorgeous. Oh no, something is definitely going on with these palms. I would never try to keep a palm again, if I'm being quite honest. They always just end up looking like that for me. It looks like the plants here are in a lot worse condition than the last store. This heart leaf is really pretty to me, and they've got the staghorn ferns that look nice, but I don't know, everything is just looking a little scraggly and discolored, and I don't know, except this ring of fire is absolutely stunning for $20. Has really good coloration. Yes. Wow. These orchids are all blooming. They look so good. Ooh, this is cool. Really, really gorgeous calathea. I don't know how this one is doing so well, but all of the philodendron and ficus look so sad. Makes not a whole lot of sense. Oh my gosh, what is this? Look at this. What is this? This is one of those urban jungle plants, and I have never seen this before. It looks like some kind of philodendron, but I don't know what. That is really, really pretty. So pretty. I love. This might be one of the most beautiful plants I've seen in a while. Wow. Gorgeous. The garden center phone is ringing. Should I answer it? Whoa, these are huge. Huge. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow, they look so good. 8-inch pots for $35. I honestly think that's a pretty good price because these are massive. Not a huge fan of the monstera and ficus in these, but I'm very drawn to this planter. It's really, really pretty. $15, pretty good price. Oh wow, this is pretty cool. So this is a domino peace lily. I really like this variety, and I'm surprised I'm seeing it at a big box store. How cool. That plant section was a lot smaller than the Home Depot we just went to. And majority of the plants looked a lot more sad. In a weird way, I feel. Although, that urban jungle philodendron that I have no idea what it is was really, really, I don't know. That was what it was that. A bird just like dove at my car. That was weird. I also really liked the domino peace lily. Oh, and those giant calatheas. Those were pretty cool. Now to location number 3, which I think is going to be a Lowe's. Yep, Lowe's. Our second Lowe's. Ow! I punched that kind of hard. I said I didn't need a straw, and all my chocolate is settling. Let's go. Here's the plant section. It looks a lot smaller than normal. Plants look great though, so far. Well, monstera are a little mangled. I don't know, it seems like these big ones always get kind of mangled this way. Oh wow, this is really pretty. Tenanth Laberciana, I think. Super, super pretty. It looks very pristine and big. I love when orchids are all in bloom displayed like this. It's so pretty. This is cute. I forget what this is called. What is it? Aurelia. This is some sort of Aurelia. Very delicate looking. I like it. Ooh, ugly. And I know this is the clearance aisle, but like it's stuffed. Everything looks so sickly. Okay, no wait. Is this the Tenanth Laberciana? Or that other one? I'm getting my Calathea Tenanth confused. Who is this? Who are you? Calathea? Okay, this is a Calathea. I was right before. Gosh, you guys, they really don't have that many plants here. Ooh, that's a pretty good find, a Hoya Crimson Queen. Really good big box store find. I think these are probably $25. Oof. Called it. Those are cool. A Cebu Blue and Hoya Crimson Queen, I think, are the best plants here, in my humble opinion. And they look the healthiest. Super pretty. Okay, let's move on to the next place. This is such a small plant section. I can't believe it. Okay, this makes more sense. It looked small in there because they've moved some of them outside. Wow. 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 I used to have one of these and I really, really liked it. It just kind of outgrew my space. How much? 25. Oh, this is the Tenanthula bursiana. What was that other one? Cool. They have these giant ficus Audrey for $90. They look really, really crisp though. I am impressed by this one. They're like 4 feet tall, I would say. Pretty, and the fiddle leaves look great. Yeah, the outdoor indoor section looks much better. Look at this freaking palm. That is majestic. Is this a Majesty palm? Is that why they called it that? And all of these ficus. Ooh, new leaf alert. That's fun. These leaves are huge. Cute. Cutie, Syngonium white butterfly, one of my all-time faves. They look so good. Big old golden pothos, some more staghorn fern, a curly lipstick plant, and a Hoya curtisii. I actually really dislike this variety, I'll be honest, but they look pretty good. And some cool Aglaonema. I think this one's really pretty. There we go. Now you can see it better. I almost miss these baskets of Stromanth Trio Star. They don't look great, but they are still very vibrant. They just have a lot of dead tips and stuff. But I think the plant would be fine. It's pretty resilient. Oh, they look so stupid. They look so dumb. I'm so sorry. Oh, no. You'll have to let me know what you think, but I think that one was worse than the last one. But both of the Lowe's so far have been way, like significantly worse than the Home Depot. The plants just did not look very well maintained at all. And there was not a huge variety, although that one at the last Lowe's was cool. That philodendron. I don't know, let me know what you think. The garden center lady there was talking to me and she had the cutest little accent. Just this cutest little lady. She said, "Thank you. You have a nice day. Y'all come back now, you hear?" She didn't say that, but that's what it reminded me of. Okay, let's go to Home Depot. We're at our 4th location, a Home Depot, and I'm very excited to hit up this Home Depot because judging by the first location, I have high hopes for this one. I have high hopes, so hopefully it lives up to the expectations. I will say this is the by far busiest location. Half of the parking lot is packed for a 9 o'clock on a Wednesday. Okay, let's do this. Wait, gotta put on my cute little bag. I feel so feminine. I'm not really a shoulder bag carrier. I actually think this is like my perfect bag. I thrifted it for $30 on Poshmark. Look, it's just like a big open thing. I love that. I don't love a lot of pockets, and I think I might be in the minority with that, but I lose my knickknacks. I lose my things if I have too many pockets. And yes, it needs cleaned. Maybe I'm disgusting for not cleaning it, but I don't care. That was not as smooth as I thought it would be. Okay, let's go. Ooh, it already looks so much better. Look at those palms. They're huge. Wow, they look so healthy. Yeah, this is so much better than Lowe's. Look at these Monstera. They also look immaculate. We've got the staghorn ferns, of course. Who is that? Ficus microcarpa. I don't think I've ever seen that before. Cute. Oh, and so many Hoya. I really like this one, a variegated species Affinis Bertoniae. Cute! These Syndapsis look so healthy. I think these are the Silver Lady. Oh no, Silver Splash. They look so pretty. I cannot believe I'm seeing these at a big box store. I love them. for $30. I think that's a great price. These pink princess aren't very variegated, but there's something about them I find really satisfying. They look nice. Ah, there's the silver lady. Looking pristine, gorgeous, incredible. Walked right past this Thai constellation earlier. These all look amazing. Super awesome variegation. And we've got some little Hoya. There she is. I think this is going to be my next plant buy. I really, really, really want one of these, and I've been thinking about it for a while, so we'll see. Wow, what is this? Oh, it's a Homalomena rubescens. That is stunning. Are you kidding me? That is so, so gorgeous. We've got so many Hoya curtisii for $22. Again, I'm not a huge fan of this variety, but these big baskets are nice. Overall, I'm pleased. Oh, look at this. We've got Ring of Fire. Really pretty ones with like the kind of caramely looking variegation, and a bunch of Hoya. I love these small sized Hoya. They're such good prices. They look pretty healthy. These ones I think might be overwatered or not getting enough light, but generally speaking, for a big box store, I am not mad at this selection, honestly. And it looks like they have a lot more of this kind of pothos variety that I got last time I came big box shopping. They've got a whole bunch of them here, so that's really cool. Yeah, Home Depot is awesome lately. That was way busier. Way busier. But the plants were popping. They looked really good, really healthy. A lot more of a variety than Lowe's. So I think y'all know, I think it's pretty clear where I stand on who won this round of Lowe's versus Home Depot. But let me know what you think. What do you think was the coolest plant we saw today? I think it was that philodendron at Lowe's. Although I do not think Lowe's won this one. Back home from visiting the 4 big box store locations. Let me know what you thought, which stores you thought were the best, which plant varieties you thought were the coolest. Hands down, I think Home Depot wins this round, and that is me coming at this from a non-political perspective. I know whenever I post these big box store shop videos, I get comments like, I never shop at Home Depot. That's fine. Okay, that's fine. This little thing is strictly about the plants. I think Home Depot wins strictly in the plant department. I much prefer Lowe's generally, but as far as plants goes, Home Depot has them beat, I gotta say. But let me know what you think, which one you think won this round, and also what you feel was the coolest variety we saw today. I personally think it was the philodendron from Lowe's, but I'm very interested to hear what you think. And yeah, that is going to be it from me today. Thank you so much for joining me. I had a great time. I hope you did as well, and I will see you next time.